So this is going to be a tutorial on how to dual boot Windows and Ubuntu Linux. Now, in order to get started, you'll need to get your hands on a copy of Ubuntu Linux. Now, there will be a link in the description, or you can go to the Ubuntu website, ubuntu.com, and download the ISO, which is just a file that allows you to make an install CD out of it. Now from here you want to get the desktop version. You'll also need to know whether your computer is 64-bit or 32-bit. To find that out varies depending on what version of Linux you have. Windows you have. To find out varies depending on what version of Windows you have. And in order to do that, you go to My Computer and Properties. Now, if you had Windows 8, 7, or Vista, it will tell you in the Properties window. Generally for Windows XP, it would tell you if it's 64-bit, otherwise it's 32. If you're not sure what your computer is, you can always go with the 32-bit. That will work for all computers, even if they are 64. I'll have the link for both in the description. You can download it that way. What you'll also need is a program that will record the ISO to a CD. If you have Windows 7, there's one built in. If not, you can go to isorecorder.alexfeynman.com. There will also be links for this in the description of the video for the Vista and XP versions of this. Once again, if you're not sure whether you need the 32-bit or 64-bit, just go to the 32-bit. Once you've downloaded that, you should be able to go to the Downloads folder and install the ISO recorder, which I have already installed, and then you will have the image file here. Now what you need to do is just insert a blank DVD. It can't be a CD because the image file is too big for a CD. You right click that, and you do copy image to CD, or if you have the DVD, the Windows 7 versions of Windows, you can use the inbuilt burner. And then once you have burnt the DVD, it's recommended that you write a label on it so you know what the DVD is. And then you can stick it back in your computer. And then, once that's been stuck in your computer, you'll end up with a window like this. And then you can just click that. And if you're not sure how to boot from CD, you can press Help Me Boot from CD. Otherwise, if you're sure, you just press Finish and it will restart your computer and boot to your CD. And then you'll get this lovely loading window, which will load into a version of Ubuntu Linux that runs off the CD. And that's when you're ready for the next step, which is backing up and installing Ubuntu. And that's how we get to Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.